Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is my first eyeliner tutorial and I'll be showing you how to do a flick or cat eyeline using a retractable eyeliner. I have this one. This is the Rimmel Exaggerate Eye Definer in the color Noir, and I usually use this a lot, trust me, a lot, for my cat eyeline. It does a brilliant job and it's very quick and easy to use. So here let's start. Okay, so this is the eyeliner. What I want you to do is that hold your eye from this corner right here. Don't stretch it, don't pull it. Okay, we're not going to do anything. Just put your finger here, hold your eye, and then close it, and then draw a flick from the outer corner. Easy peasy. See? And now what I want you to do is that drag your liner back towards the inner corner of the eye. Keep your liner close towards the lash as much as possible, and open the eye and then take it inside. Okay, in the corner you're going to need a little perfection here. You can use a Q-tip. I usually use my finger to pull this out a bit, and then there's your easy peasy cat eyeline using the Rimmel Exaggerate Noir eyeliner. You can use the same trick with liquid eyeliners. You can use it with pencil eyeliners. It's very easy. I will try to put up tutorials for those too, but this is one of the easiest ways to do a cat eyeline. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please do like this video, subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and hopefully I will be posting more content very soon. Thank you so much. Have a great day.